Hi there everyone, it's Bella from Redpath here, and today I want to talk about the buildings that Redpath manufacture, which are used for industrial and storage applications. These buildings will often have a mixture of hard or flexible roof and sidewall cladding types to suit the customer's specific needs. These designs are fully engineered to meet the New Zealand Building Code regulations, and Redpath will often complete the building permit consent with the council on behalf of the customer as part of our sales service. Redpath designs to a wind speed of 45 meters per second, which suits 98% of New Zealand and export sites, although a high wind kit option can bring the designs up to an even higher level if it is required. Redpath industrial shelters are used for a wide variety of purposes, including dry storage, packing sheds, controlled atmosphere, or supplementary light environments, plus industrial rain shelters for yards or workshops that need a dry but natural light work area. They are also used for retail areas or for function facilities, plus pool shelters or sports shelters to name but a few. Redpath industrial shelters utilize the same high-tensile steel frame as our commercial greenhouse and animal shelter designs. We pre-drill all of the framework at our factory for simple assembly on site, and the frames use 12mm bolts and nuts for all major connections. This keeps the designs both simple and strong so that they can easily resist the strong wind loads that the New Zealand climate throws at us. Our industrial shelters are supplied in 7 different span widths as shown here. Each of these spans shares the same modular frame design concept, which means that any span width can be connected to another span of the same width or of a different width. The length of the building can be anything from 12 meters up to 200 meters or more. If the option of a hard cladding such as corrugated iron, polycarbonate sheeting, or color steel is chosen, then Redpath includes all the necessary purlins, wire mesh, and flashings required. Side or end walls can have aluminum-framed windows, aluminum lockable doors, or commercial roller door options fitted. And if ventilation is required, we have you covered. A roll-up blind can be included for one side or both side walls, and these can be manually controlled with a hand-operated winch, or it can be opened and closed by an automatic electric winch. The automatic roll-up walls usually include a Redpath controller, and you can simply set the temperature on the controller and leave the roll-up walls to open and close dependent on the temperature of the building. Redpath offer a construction service nationwide for our industrial shelters. We have 16 assembly crews spread from Southland to Northland, and for simplicity and peace of mind, we can quote the building fully assembled on your site. Alternatively, you can purchase direct from our factory in full kit set form and assemble the building yourself. Redpath will provide a detailed plan set with every building, and we can also assist you with site plan preparation for council. We also offer you an over-the-phone assembly information support service via our free phone number. Prices for Redpath industrial shelters will vary and are mostly dependent on the size of the building, plus the ventilation and cladding choice that you select for the building. Other things that might affect price are things like whether an on-site construction service is chosen or if the building site is particularly remote. Redpath can usually send you a no-obligation detailed estimate to you within 48 hours of a price request being received. Redpath also exports its buildings throughout the Pacific Rim, and we can quote a price FOB or CIF to your country's port. Our shelters may be clad in flexible membranes such as the clear DuraTough polyethylene membrane or the white shaded DuraShade membrane. These cladding choices can be in single skin or single layer form, or they can be a twin skin double layer polythene film, which is a great choice if you are seeking big increases in thermal efficiency. Another popular option is to use the polyweave reinforced translucent membrane on sections of the building. The polyweave product has improved impact and tear resistance compared to some extruded-style polythene films. If you would like to call in and visit our New Zealand factory, you can do so between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. weekdays at the address shown here, or you can request a quote by calling us on our free phone or send us an email at the details shown here. We list a great deal more information on our website redpath.co.nz. Or check out and like our Facebook or Instagram pages to get the latest updates on our building designs or special offers. Thank you for watching this video. We hope we talk soon and have a great day.